Stump Tea is an incredible product. It smells lovely. We have some here among our other items. I will put links in the description of the video below. And share my passion. I've been doing this 30-something years, most of my life. I have a master's degree in agriculture, and so happy to share info I've gathered. And so your purchases help support this channel and more videos. So this is the Stump Tea. It's just a little powder. I don't know if you can see the texture of it. I'm trying to show. Yeah, it's like sandy, really fine powder. Most of these things are. The rock powder is very flowery. The mycorrhizae is in a powdered form. The worm castings are more sort of granular. I'm sure you've seen those. And then the biochar we'll get into in the next video. And then the water is not very powdery, but it is delicious. Be sure to use spring water for all your preparations and teas. We're making a tea out of all these items. So the other wonderful thing about Stump Tea is it's mostly molasses. It's like powdered molasses. Oh, it smells amazing. Really wonderful smell. So that's the other fun thing about this. It's not like fish emulsion that's just stinky, or other like organic things that are just rotty that are pre-digested. The worm castings are fully digested. It just smells earthy and wonderful. The minerals are just sort of powdery dry. They don't really smell. I don't think. No, they don't really smell. Biochar doesn't even smell burnt. That's neat. And but then this smells like sweet molasses, so that adds a whole other dimension. And then the powdered mycorrhizae don't really smell either. So that has a lot more diversity. We're just boosting everything. The Stump Tea has like half a dozen mycorrhizae and then 4 bacillus bacteria for more diversity. There's going to be bacteria and there's going to be mycorrhizae in the worm castings, but we're accentuating everything to the maximum degree because we can. It's amazing what's available now. So Stump Tea is a special blend of soil biology and beneficial mycorrhizae that occurs naturally in the world's most pristine forests. The synergistic mix vigorously inoculates the root zone and boosts metabolic rate by colonizing the roots with billions of little helpers, in quotes, little helpers. This increases root size and production, which in turn increases yields. Stump Tea is a complete brew that even the most experienced of tea connoisseurs will love. Bring life to your soil with Stump Tea and let your soil infuse new life into your harvest. Stump Tea is what roots crave. And you thought it was electrolytes. It probably has electrolytes actually with all the molasses and whatnot. This is a product out of Pennsylvania. Again, available in the links in the description. I thought it said more of what's in here, but clearly they knew to feed it with the molasses powder, but it's a great base for the rest of our tea concoction that we're brewing with spring water, and minerals are being broken down by the bacteria and whatnot from the worm castings and the Stump Tea and the mycorrhizae from the wild root organic concentrate. So yeah, everything is synergistically working together to help these apples and cherry trees that my client has in New York City that had all kinds of bugs, and we'll see in the spring how well they're doing. Garden product reviews. I think, yeah, we'll talk about water in the next video. So I think, oh no, biochar. How could I forget the superstructure that brings all this together? All right, exciting new next video.